Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am with you Muhammad Mudassir. Here today I am going to discuss with you about Bahçeşehir International University BAU. I will tell you about its processing of apply, its totally procedure step by step, its fee structure, its merit list, or its way of identification and its total program in which they are educating your students, and it's their only fee structure also. Before explaining, I will request to all viewers, please subscribe my channel, because we are going to share you here different information like the scholarships, internships, jobs, etc, and their fee structure, merit list, etc, at international level, with the passage of time national level. So I hope you will subscribe my channel, and hope you will get more notification and you will get more informative videos from this channel. First of all, I will clear you that if you are from Pakistan, because Pakistani can reach me, other countries also reach me, we are giving home apply service, because most of students face problem. They are going to apply in different first trade shops, cafe, or different internet source, other computers, and even they are on apply, they face many problems. That's why we are giving home apply service for the best opportunity of the students. You can avail different opportunity, different information from us. Like we are giving different opportunity like registration, your online apply, bank Chaalان, TCS, if you have assignment, presentation, projects, data entry, and your work related to CV. These all kind of opportunity and these all kind of facilities we are giving from home apply service. Now next we have to go our Google, where I will give information about BAU apply service, how to apply, its fee, and etc. First of all, you have to go write BAU. As you write BAU, there will be a left side option intbau.edu.tr. Click on that. As you will click on that, it will turn you next page. As you will come here, there is a option of apply now. There is a red option on the right side. You have to click on that, apply now. When you will click on apply now, there are different section: vocational school, undergraduate programs, graduate program, maker, and BA global. If you are going to undergraduate program, you want to apply in that, you have to click on that undergraduate programs. It will move next. There is a form. There is a 4 section in this form: personal information, program selection, educational information, and documentation. So first of all, you have to enter your passport number. Like my passport number is this. I'm going to enter it. Then I have to choose my gender, either I am female or male. Then you have to put your name that is given on your previous result card. You have to put your name according to that. Then put your surname, Mr. Then enter date of birth. Then enter your email address that is too much unique and should be valid, that you are using, rather to use fake and spam email, because it will create many difficulties with the passage of time. Then you choose phone number like Pakistan 92. Here will be Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan. 0120276670. Then select nationality, Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan. If you are from other country, then choose that country. Here put your home address, like I'm going to put here proper Sahiwal, Punjab, Pakistan. Same here I am going to put, you have to put your street number, home number, total address, street, like my 12 acre, I'm going to 12, 5, country Pakistan. Next, after this, click on step 2. It will move. Fill in this error because closed. choose the proper method. Here is the proper method. Go back and choose which your month and age. Like October, March 3rd is my age, and cell phone number Pakistan 92. I will choose that. This is accurately filled, and select country Pakistan. Okay, then click on step 2. Here is a program selection list in which program you want to apply. Like I am going to apply business administration. Language of the program English, means all the courses given in English language. You will have to study in English language. There is a different programs in which you want to interest. You click on that. Like this program I want to enroll. This program. These are the program, undergraduate program I want to enroll. Civil engineering, biomedical engineering program, but like these are the program that I am going to. Even I am going to enroll in single program. And I have to move to next faculty. If you want to choose campus school, you can choose the best campus which you want to like. Like this campus I want to choose. This campus is offering this program business administration. Like I am going to choose BBA. This program. Here is school selection and programs and department which they are offering and connected to this university. Okay, then move next. Add mark program. Step 3. These are added. After that, you have to click on step 3. This will move next. High school graduated. Like this is my school name. Graduation year, you have to put when you graduation, you have completed your graduation year or completed your year of study, like 2020. Then select country, graduated country, PK, Pakistan. Then graduated country, Pakistan. I will click on this grade point, average GPA. Here you have under GPA, like which you have to obtain proficiency TOEFL. Here you will choose in which program you are okay, you are very well, where you have given your test. Then click on this documentation. Here you have to put your passport size pic, like your own pic. Click on that, choose best one which is very clear, and high school diploma. That pic I am going to choose that pic which is open. And completed transcript, your result card, it's mean your result card, you have to choose that. Okay, then review. Here is the proper information that you have given on the page or application page. Click on save. Do you want to record your application? Yes, click on that. As you will record, click here to follow your program's application display. DC passport number and paste passport number. Application display. When application display, you can choose here your application has been pinned, and pin code is that close, and this means that your total application is completed. Now it's your administration, your registration is completed. Now you can wait for its email, when you will get email. Like I am going to choose my email address. There is email or not. Here is email that I received from that. Total information is given, pin code is that. Here is total information, you can check. For general person, international office, this is the proper information given here. Click on this link. As you will link and click on this link, it will move to next. enter a passport number. Here you put your passport number 4982096 and enter your pin code which is given in the email address. Like this is email, this is my address. I am going to choose here, enter. When I will enter, it will move to my application. Here is my all program, business administration, and selected program. If you have any mistake, you can update application form. You click here, or click on application document. Here you can choose the program again. You can add more information. It will give more benefit if you want to change your program. Hope so this information is very useful for you and you will like it and will get more information from this channel. Jazakallah, shukriya, Allah Hafiz.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.